Hello, and welcome to the sixth in a series of videos that provide detailed guidance on the use of the GDOT utility coordination tools now available in MicroStation Connect Edition. This video coincides with Section 4-1 of the GDOT Utility Coordination Tools MicroStation Connect Edition document and provides a brief overview of aspects of the GDOT main menu that have a primary focus on the generation of documentation to be submitted for permitting purposes by the Georgia Utilities Permitting System, aka GUPS. As mentioned previously, the GUPS tab is available only under proposed conditions for each type of utility. Tools made available on the GUPS tab are provided as a means of producing basic sketches and creating PDFs for the GDOT Utility Office permitting process. Buttons under the GUPS tab are as follows. The centerline button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for mainline center lines. The existing right-of-way button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for existing right-of-way. The required right-of-way button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for required right-of-way. The legend button, which places a legend of common elements used for developing a GUPS drawing. The paved road button, which sets the line style to the GDOT standard level symbology for a paved road. The permanent easement button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for permanent easements. The dirt road button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for dirt road. The match style button, which matches the line style dimension attributes of an existing element. The curb and gutter button, which sets line style to GDOT standard level symbology for curb and gutter. The sidewalk button, which sets the line style to GDOT standard level symbology for sidewalks. The north arrow, which places the GDOT standard north arrow. The scale bar, which places the GDOT standard scale bar. The dimension distance button, which dimensions the distance between 2 points. The dimension element button, which dimensions an element. The dimension radius button, which dimensions a radial element. The dimension angle button, which will be revisited shortly, dimensions the angle between two lines in the counterclockwise direction. The border letter button, which places the GDOT standard sheet border for 8.5 by 11 letter size sheets. The border half button places the GDOT standard sheet border for 11 by 17 half size plots. The 8.5 by 11 PDF button, which prompts for fence placement and creates a PDF file. The 11 by 17 PDF button, which also prompts for fence placement and also creates a PDF file. To revisit the angular dimensioning tool, this tool has angle size, location, between lines, arc size, and arc location modes. The prompts in the lower left corner of the MicroStation Connect Edition dialog will be contingent upon the mode selected. The intersect snap and other snap tools can be used as needed to aid in the dimensioning process. In summary, this video provides a brief overview of the tools under the GUPS tab on the GDOT main menu, which have a primary focus on the generation of documentation to be submitted for permitting purposes to the GDOT Utilities Office. This concludes this presentation. Thanks for joining us.